So in our last video, we spoke about Tron price prediction for 2024-2025. Where can Tron go? Can Tron make a Solana type of run the way it did, in 2024? Why did Solana run? A lot of people were buying pretty much meme coins. Meme coins, skyrocketed. People were getting hyped. More people bought Solana. Solana kept on pumping because in order to buy pretty much meme coin, you need to buy Solana unless they get listed on centralized exchange. But if you want to be early, you need to get Solana. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to buy meme coins on Tron, TRX, and what is, in my opinion, the next 100x pretty much Tron meme coin token out there. So if you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. So diving into Tron right here, first of all, on CoinMarketCap, before we dive into DEX Tool and how to find, Tron crypto and whatnot, you can see the market cap right now is sitting at $13.9 billion. Now, we know that the, market cap of Solana right now is currently sitting at, I believe, 70 billion. Yeah, $72 billion, which is quite high. Now, if you do, let's do some simple math. If you do 72 billion right here divided by 13, you're looking roughly at a 5.5x from here. Can Tron 5.5x? Yes, a lot of liquidity right now, in fact, is moving to Tron. You have coins overnight hitting 200 million, 300 million market cap with a matter of hours. Okay, so we haven't seen that since the Solana, era back, from, Dog with Pad and Popcat, etc. So we have not seen that, and right now we're seeing everything happening on pretty much TRX ecosystem. So we could see right now, first of all, Tron right now is looking very, very bullish. It's looking good. You guys know that in my last video I was talking about this this uptrend, and of course the EMA ribbons right here. The trend is your friend, and how it's been really respecting this exponential moving average right here on the weekly time frame. And I've also spoke about this inverse cup and handle or regular cup and handle, and like I said, guys, in my last video, my target for the cup and handle, if I take it to the bottom and to the top and I extend that, our target should potentially be, or should be, 18 cents. So yes, Bitcoin right now is in a little bit of a fall down, which means altcoins will fall, but we're not so far away from that. I mean, we're only a few percent away from that target. We're about 12% away, which is not so crazy. And if that does happen, then we could see meme coins on Tron, on the Tron ecosystem really explode. So if we have a look right here at TRX, this is DEX Tool, by the way. I'm just gonna bring you guys to the to the main screen right here, dextools.io right here, yes, with an S. This is where you find all your cryptos pretty much. You could find them on Solana, you could find it on Ethereum, you could find it on all these chains right here. But in this specific video, we're going to be talking about Tron because this video is about Tron. Now, in order to do that, you need to have a Tron wallet, which would be an OKX wallet. Now, by the way, guys, if you are interested in pretty much signing up with AlphaX, you get a $100 bonus. And yes, you could buy Tron on AlphaX. You could even trade Tron. You guys can see right here, TRX. You could trade Tron. And pretty much you could get up to a $100 bonus, and that's going to be to the first 100 people only. And once you get that bonus, you could withdraw it to an OKX wallet and start pretty much buying shit coins with that if you guys want. So you guys can see right here, I just decided to buy my first Solana shitcoin. Okay, I have $700, and this coin is TZU. People told me it was a good coin. People told me it was a, they have some insight about it. I really don't know. People come up to me, my friends, people that I trust, and they're like, yo, Crypto Dose, you should maybe talk about this. Maybe you should, get into it. And I'm like, all right, why not? So this is actually the first crypto that I bought. And you can see right here that the market cap is sitting at $1.39 million. The liquidity is sitting at $144,000. Okay, now this is not so bad. I mean, I did buy it right here at $1 million. I'm up 40%. Nothing too crazy, really, nothing too crazy. Can this really 100x? I do have a take profit or initial profit at $6.5 million. If that happens, we're gonna have to see. But assuming this does 100x, guys, from my $1 million target or buying, the market cap would have to be $100 million. Is that doable? Yes. I mean, you could see like coins like Suncat, $15 million. I mean, this thing has been going up. You got coins like Dragon Sun, $43 million, and you got a lot of cryptos on pretty much on Solana. I mean, on Tron that are pretty much making big moves. I mean, you could see right here. You got cryptos at Bull $154 million. You got other cryptos at $280 million. So like Sundog, you got cryptos really going up. I mean, $272 million, guys. I mean, look at this real quick. Okay, so this thing was launched on August 15, I believe, 2024, or August 27th, and look how many percent you would have made. $338,000 or percent. Sorry, you would have made 338,000%, which is obviously a huge amount. So 338,000%. That is roughly 3,380x. So if you would have put like $5, you would have been up like $16,000, which is literally crazy. $5 to $16,000 just by investing in Sundog is, in my opinion, crazy. So let's go back into pretty much how to find altcoins or meme coins. First of all, you need to have some, not insider, but you need to have someone that you trust. Okay. Now, I don't know if TZU is going to go up, but I do trust certain people, of course. And you guys can see that this thing has been pretty solid, considering, Bitcoin has been, I wouldn't say dumping, but Bitcoin has been, pretty much coming down on, in the past few days. So considering that, it's pretty darn good, in my opinion, that, TZU or a meme coin or a shitcoin, whatever you guys really want to call it, has been holding up. So DEX Tools is where I find it. Now, how do you guys really swap? That's where, it gets a little bit tricky. You would have to go on Sunswap V2. Okay, so once you're in this screen right here, you're going to go, it's going to be like, it's going to say right here, listed on Sunswap. It's going to take you to this screen right here. You're going to go ahead and connect your wallet. My wallet is already connected. You could put the $100, the bonus that you got from AlphaX, let's say, and then you would get a certain amount of TZU. Now, make sure you guys do have enough, gas fees, I guess, to cover it. It's not as cheap as Solana, but it's way cheaper than Ethereum. So you guys do need, some TRX to pretty much cover. But let's just make that trade real quick. I'm just going to swap. I'm going to confirm the swap. Transaction fee is 0.015. You could see that the Tron estimation network is 0.20. Now, the way the Tron, trades do work, it's not really on the blockchain. It's really on the amount. I realize that the bigger the amount is, the more expensive it is, but it's not that crazy. So I'm just going to go ahead and confirm that trade real quick, just to give you guys an understanding on how things work. So I traded, pretty much five TRX for TZU, and you guys can see right here, I'm pretty transparent, 507,237 TZU, nothing too crazy. It's worth about $723. Currently sitting at 0.0014. So if you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.